Hey, yo, niggas wanna test me, still can't stress me. Smooth like Oliveira, bringing the new era. Yes, I share a thing with others like legends. You know, a nigga you can't step with. Shit get wretched, a lot of shit hectic, but I stay protected. Coming off the next shit, always on my next shit. Y'all niggas know it. I still be a poet. Them bars I throw it. Something like thoughts, coming with the art. I'm about to take it to the top. That's something you're not a part. From the beginning and the start to the end, my friend. And when it's finished, I diminish like all of them. And motherfuckers can't fuck with me. I am him. When they talk about Sean, they know I am like a Benz. You know, the elite, coming with the heat, new fleet. Straight from the street, I go how I want to. I rock. I don't give a fuck. This is all hip hop. I won't stop. Y'all niggas know what it is. And this 16 for 31. Hell at the kid. 16. Let's start. Peace.